Alright guys, I just wanted to make this video because I was having a problem with my ZEN Swing Wallet. I will show you here in a second, but whenever I would try to open it, it would give me a failed error, something. Basically, it couldn't load or validate or load the blockchain. So I went online and everybody's like, you need to re-index the ZEND file. So I went through command line and would re-index it, and it would always make it to like 70 or 80%, and then it would fail again. It was really starting to frustrate me because I had a little bit of Zen coin on that account, and I don't know why. I went through, read through forums, and I didn't find any other fixes. So I was just doing some digging, and people showed how to like back up the wallet.bat file that's stored on like the C drive users, whatever your username that you're using, and under I'll show you here in a second, but anyway, getting the wallet.bat file, which is originally hidden, so you have to go in and unhide those files. I'll show you how to do that too. But then what I did is I took the Swing Wallet, put it on a USB stick, and installed it, ran it on a system, a different computer altogether, and it basically installed a brand new Swing Wallet on that computer. Then I unplugged the USB and I disconnected it from the internet, so it's not constantly like linked up with the blockchain, it's offline. And I went in and replaced the wallet.bat file on the new system, and then before I plugged it back in, or before I opened the system again, I re-indexed that one and it loaded the blockchain up correctly. And then now I'll show you here right after this, it actually was able to, there we go, oh, it's really bright. It was actually able to fully load the blockchain, and I can see my balance now, finally. Like I've been dealing with this for almost 2 days, and it was like starting to get to me. It was really gonna bother me. So I'll show you that here. I'll flip the camera around. If anybody else has any other questions regarding it, please comment down below. I don't think this is a very common problem. I'm still going to use the wallet, but what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to dedicate and buy me just a cheap laptop to use specifically for depositing and holding my funds and running that node. So here, let me show you my wallet. Right, there it is. It is fully synchronized, 100%. 8 connections, it's good to go. So I just wanted to show you that. And for example, right now I am on my laptop. It's an old AMD A8. I've had this for a couple years now, but I'll go downstairs and I'll show you the error that it was giving me on the other computer, because I have not closed it out on that one yet. Alright guys, this is what I was talking about whenever I try to load up the Swing Wallet on Windows, and this is the 0.75.8, which as of today, February 27th, this is the newest edition or model, I guess you can call it. But it'll say an unexpected error has occurred during the operation of GUI wallet, blah blah blah, error. Anyway, online everybody said you need to re-index your ZEND file. So if you open up your folder, let's see here, where your Zencash wallet is, and you go into app, this ZEND file is what you have to re-index. To re-index this fixes it most of the time. It didn't fix it for me, and that's why I'm making this video. You'll go to start, and you want to get CMD. You want that command prompt. We'll open that up. Then you need to get to the actual directory. So right here is, we need to get to this directory, this folder. The easiest way to do it is click up here, copy this path, click onto your command prompt, and type in CD, that's for change directory, space, and then right click, paste that in there, then hit enter, and then next time your cursor will be over here blinking, because you're inside of that folder on the actual command prompt now. And then the next thing you'll want to do is space ZEND dash reindex. reindex ZEN. You hit enter, and it will start running through and verifying. Now this is where mine will go and verify, and if you look right here, it's trying, but mine won't actually ever make it to 100%. It'll crash out and it'll do this. So I'll go ahead and close this because mine's already done that, like, you know, a bunch of times. Close that, close that, close. Okay. Now what you want to look for, if that doesn't fix it, and it takes hours, like it took mine 6 hours to get to this 91%, and then boom, you get that error. So if you make it to the 100%, then you're good, and your actual balance will show up. If you don't make it to the 100%, your balance won't show up yet. But don't fear, it's still actually there. It's just you haven't synced to the blockchain. So to actually fix it, what I did is I looked right here for the wallet, users, Brandon, app data, roaming, ZEN, wallet.dat. Okay, you need to copy that wallet.dat or .dat. The easiest way to get to that, I'm on Windows 7, so without showing y'all like everything on my computer, you can go to C, and you go to users, Brandon, app data, roaming, ZEN's all the way down at the bottom, ZEN, and then wallet.dat. There it is. So you copy that, I drag it over to a flash drive. Once you have it on a flash drive, you also want to go back to your original ZEN Cash folder, copy that folder over to a flash drive. So for an example, I'll make a new folder and we'll call this our flash drive. I didn't spell it all the way. This will be our flash drive. So inside of our flash drive, we need a copy of the ZEN Cash wallet. Paste. And then we'll also need a copy of the wallet.dat. Copy that. Paste. Alright, so now that you have those two, and I don't know why mine shows up as a little movie thing. Normally it doesn't show up with that icon, but this computer's got a bunch of junk on it. So you'll take this USB or this flash drive out, and you need to go to a new computer, which is what I did, is I installed it onto my laptop. And when you plug the flash drive in, you'll go into your ZEN Cash here. You're going to load up the GUI wallet, so you'll double click the GUI wallet. It'll do this, and it'll set you up with a new wallet with a new key and everything. I'm going to close all this stuff out. When it does, when it sets you up with that new one, then that's when you'll go back to your flash drive, you'll copy your wallet again, and then you'll go on the new computer to your ZEN folder, which if you go back, it's the same thing. It'll be C, it'll be users, then whatever it's saved under, Brandon, where were we at? Brandon, app data, roaming, all the way down, ZEN. And then you'll paste the new wallet inside of here. It'll ask you if you want to replace it. Yes, you do want to replace it. And then before you open up the GUI wallet again, you'll have to go through and do the command prompt. CMD. Open up the command prompt. That's where you'll do your change directory, space. And you need the directory for wherever the actual ZEN is, which currently, right now, the ZEN is in, right here, it would be in blah, 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 it would be in flash drive, something, something, something. So you would copy that, you go to here, you paste it, well, hold on, I didn't copy it, copy, paste it, right there. Once you change the directory to that, then you click your ZEND space dash REINDEX. You run that, it'll reindex that node. I'm gonna close mine out, but it'll reindex that, and that's what ended up fixing it for me. So basically, it's like a brand new, fresh download of the blockchain on a brand new, fresh, like different computer. It wasn't a new computer by any means, but it was just a different one. And that's how I ended up being able to move my wallet to another computer, not lose any of my Zen cash, and still be able to open it up. Now this computer, this is my desktop, I still cannot get it to open on here. And I'm guessing there's probably a way to fix it, but I've been scouring through Google and I cannot find out a way. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna end up buying a cheap, like $200 laptop to keep all my hardware wallets on from now on, and then I'm just gonna unplug it from Ethernet or turn off the Wi-Fi whenever I don't need to use it. I suggest that's probably a good idea for y'all to do the same, and yeah, so good luck with that. If you have any questions, please comment down below. I know this was not necessarily the best guide, but I tried to at least show y'all exactly everything that I did do. So thank you guys. I appreciate it. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Adios.